Hello, I'm Harry Duvashel, and I'm going to show how the seek method can produce unfiltered search results, allowing you to view every record as you page through the selected database index from beginning to end. Now, filters can easily be integrated with the seek method to limit results, but that's beyond the scope of this demonstration. The reason the seek method can produce filterless search results is because the queries select a set of records within an index without counting rows. The indexes are concatenated with a search column and order number, making each row unique. And the search parameters for the paging queries are values from records in the previous page. So the next button gets results that are greater than the last record in the previous page, and the previous button gets results that are less than the first record in the previous page. Let's see this in action. If we search the country index for Austria, we will get the first 10 Austria records. Now, if we click previous, since this is the very first Austria record, if we click previous, it will look for the countries that precede Austria, which is Argentina. Now, if I click the previous button again, it will look for any countries that are less than or equal to Argentina, and if it finds Argentina records, it will look for the Argentina records that have order numbers that are less than 10819. And as you see, it's less than 10819, 10782, and it descends through the index accordingly. Now, there are only 6 records on this page because it is the first record of the index. So Argentina is the first country in this database. Now, if we switch the index to the city and we search for Vancouver, you'll see that we get the 3 Vancouver records, and it continues looking for anything greater than or equal to Vancouver, and you go on down the cities accordingly. If you click the next button, you will then see the last 6 cities in the database. So as you can see, again, and this is the last record, so it allows you to page throughout the index from beginning to end. Now, some of the advantages of this paging system is you get to see the big picture. The fact that you're able to page through the entire database index from beginning to end enables you to see your set of data in relation to the rest of the database. Now, it also enables you to find misspelled words. So let's see if we can search for the city Barcelona, and you'll see that it picks up the 4 records where the city is Barcelona, but it also finds the misspelled Barcelonia, and before it continues through with the other cities. Now, in a typical search form, if you are searching for Barcelona, it will simply get the 1 record for Barcelona. Now, if there is a misspelled record with Barcelonia, you will not find it. So so this system helps you find records which would otherwise be lost. Thank you for viewing this video. Please view the other videos on this page, and have a nice day.